I will say we start now, continue with ABB, and from out it will come later on. So, Angelos Chasiotis, you can start the presentation. Please go on. You can share the document. Okay, great.
Okay, I can see that you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, we can see it.
So the specific scope of ABB's involvement in NEUTRON project is Work Package 4, the emission reduction, identification, and simulation tools. I will present the Work Package 4, and afterwards I have placed a new software of ABB Optimax, which is specifically for energy optimization. So now, Work Package 4, emission reduction, identification, and simulation tools. Three tasks: methodology development for emissions, design of digital twin, and the third task is the pilot simulation for the municipality of Kozani. The scope of the first task is development of methodology for developing or using the emission reduction identification simulation tools, specifically for the grid heating module. The already developed ABB softwares will be used and assessed for the emission reduction identification. So this will be generate a generative report for the methodology that will be developed for the emissions identification. You can see generally the technology, the innovation that will be handled specifically for this project, the engineering, the time stamping, the data handling from the green heating module. The milestone will be the methodology that will be finished. It will be around September, and on November this will be the deliverable will be finished. The second task is, I suppose, is the most significant, is the design of the digital twin, the critical energy intensive infrastructures for specifically the green heating module will be chosen, and we will create a digital database and make monitoring easier. As I know already, SCADA is developed at the green heat module, so we will chase and retrieve the data to create the database for the development of a digital twin. This also will be finished until November, and afterwards you can see here SCADA developed and the data that can be retrieved by ABB software. The third task, the third deliverable is the pilot simulation for the green heating module, and using the digital twin we will create and run pilot simulations for these critical energy intensive infrastructures. This will carry out by simulating generative alternative operation scenarios for the infrastructures to reduce energy consumption and the greenhouse gas emissions. The general impact, of course, will be the new operating scenarios, the proposals for replacing equipment or changing operation mode, and the contribution for municipality planning and towards climate neutrality. Here you can see a hydraulic network, and this will help us by hydraulics to create digital twin and run the simulations for specifically the green heating module. I will pass this through in order to present you the new developed ability energy management optimization tool, which is Optimax. It wasn't proposed for this project, but we will discuss with the consortium in order to at least pilot, use it within also this project. Let me just present you. So with the Optimax, the new energy management optimization tool, reporting and monitoring is easier, as also control and optimization. Since we're talking about energy and greenhouse gas, saving time for reporting is crucial, and also the compliance with ISO 501 and the identification of areas of improvement. This can guide us through to reducing cost and emissions and optimizing energy costs. This specific software can be used on water and wastewater treatment plants, specifically monitoring and reporting, real-time control, which is can happen also by using a SCADA, but also by using a software that runs above SCADA in order to create to have predictive optimization and forecasting and simulation, and of course you can operate at multi-sites. And this comes also with okay, let me we have a specific pilot that we have already used in Germany. Germany's first medium energy intelligent sewerage treatment plant. The general overview is that we have efficiency, we have increased efficiency, we have saved 300 tons of CO2 emissions, participation at the energy market, and 100% grid autarky. The customer was canalization. The location was at Schwarzenburg, and the deliverable was Optimax, and we have worked the solution with solar PV, with combined heat and power, with CHP, hydropower turbine, battery storage, sewer gas storage, and heat storage. All this was integrated within the solution. I can provide you. Also, another pilot was used at the production site of Busch-Jaeger. With this is also the overview. We can integrate also DC charging stations. So generally, it is a solution that can be provided also in order to handle a multi-site for climate neutrality and for energy efficiency. There is also a pilot available at the site of ABB. I can also provide you that. Are there any questions?